we're taking a look at this 2019 Honda Odyssey Touring finished in black with a black interior. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive, this Odyssey delivers smooth performance and comfortable driving, making it an excellent choice for everything from daily commuting to family road trips. As we step into the cabin, you'll find a very spacious interior that's designed with comfort as well as practicality in mind. With this being the Touring trim, it features leather trim seating surfaces along with a power moonroof for both the front passenger and the driver to enjoy. We do have our infotainment system right here, which does feature Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well as its own navigation system. We have our climate controls with heated and ventilated seats as well as a Blu-ray player for the rear entertainment system. We have a lot of steering wheel mounted controls. As well, we have memory seating for the driver right here. As you can see, with just a pull of the handle, this Odyssey does have power sliding doors, and it opens up to reveal these beautiful captain's chairs right here. As we hop in, we'll see that we do have this rear entertainment screen that can be pulled down just like that. As well, there are temperature controls separate up here for the second row. And as we turn around, we can see that the third row offers plenty of room for all of your passengers. And around the back, the power liftgate opens up to reveal a very spacious as well as versatile cargo area. As you can see, the third row is 60-40 split. You can have them lay down flat for even more cargo area. As well, this Odyssey has a very cool feature where you can have the seats facing the reverse for a tailgating kind of feel. Taking a look back at the exterior, this Odyssey Touring features clean, modern styling that's complemented by practical, family-friendly design and excellent everyday usability. Driver confidence is enhanced with front and rear parking sensors, lane departure warning, and the Collision Mitigation Braking System, helping provide added peace of mind on every drive. Combining V6 performance, premium comfort, and outstanding versatility, this 2019 Honda Odyssey Touring is an excellent choice for families looking for a well-equipped and practical minivan. If you'd like to learn more about this 2019 Honda Odyssey Touring, contact us today or visit us here at Wolfe Cadillac, Calgary.